coming out with Alice. Dude, head news. Head news, is that right? Newsflash.
Newsflash.
Okay.
Woo!
Headline. Newsflash.
Yeah.
I got it mixed up. I was going to say new line. Head flash. Okay. Tim Burton is coming out with a version of Alice in Wonderland in 2010.
That's gonna be like gothic emo Alice in Wonderland.
Isn't that gonna be like the best movie ever?
Pound it.
My favorite version of Alice in Wonderland was, of course, Disney, but they totally massacred the two books, like, because they meshed them together.
What two books?
Alice in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. Oh, Alice's Adventure. Alice is Adventure. I have a speech impediment, apparently.
Impediment?
Ma. Okay. My favorite version.
I just watched that last night. I own it.
Oh, no. Oh, go onto YouTube. Well, you're probably on it now. Type in Swedish version of Alice in Wonderland. It's by this brilliant director. It's the creepiest version of Alice in Wonderland I've ever seen. It is so cool. If you don't see a version where, like, socks become the caterpillar smoking the hookah, then you are not at the right site. She goes into, like, a desk drawer. It's so creepy. But it is so brilliant. It is so good. And my kudos to